According to the United Nations (UN) report stating that India's current population has reached 1.4639 billion, this marks a historically significant milestone because the rapid population growth seen in developing nations is now gradually shifting. Particularly, the decline in the total fertility rate (TFR) brings about two major economic impacts. With India's TFR currently below 2.1, which is the replacement level, it means the population is no longer stable. A TFR of 2.1 indicates a stable population, and anything below that implies a future decline in the workforce, aging population, increased medical expenses, and a shrinking base of taxpayers, all of which could pose serious economic challenges. For India, this signals a potential transition from a demographic dividend, a phase of economic opportunity, to an aging economy scenario. Although India currently enjoys a large young population, a continued decline in TFR may lead to reduced employment opportunities, decreased productivity, and a shrinking consumer base, all of which could hinder economic growth. On one hand, this trend may be seen as a positive outcome due to increased education, women's employment, urban development, and family planning awareness. On the other hand, it could increase pressure on government schemes, especially pension plans, healthcare, and senior citizen welfare programs. Additionally, there will be an urgent need to create a skilled youth workforce in line with market demands. Failing to do so might intensify employment competition and lead to broader social impacts. In conclusion, as per the UN report, India is transitioning from a phase of rapid population growth to one of demographic stability mixed with complex challenges. Economic planning, modern healthcare, tech skills development, and robust social welfare schemes are now more crucial than ever. Without these, the current human resource advantage may turn into a burden in the future. If you found this information useful, please like and share this video. If you have any questions, comment in the comment box and also let us know what you think about this topic. Thank you.